to the channel. We're stood by the MGA, which we're having a bit of a push on at the moment. We've cleared out the boot of paint, debris, all the rest of it. Boot floor's not very good. We've obtained this boot floor panel. It's fairly horrible, it's got to be said. Just held the spot welder near that bracket there. It's not actually attached to the not even in the right place. Ah, it's not the right bracket, that's why. They're supposed to be, looking at the old one, they're supposed to be nearly touched, well not nearly touching, but you shouldn't be able to do that. So that one should be moved across to here. So, and also there's a stunning ripple around this very roughly tin snipped out hole. But that's, the ripple's not, but the hole's covered. So we're going to have a look at getting the old boot floor out and see where we go from there. So there's your problem. This is, it's not actually that thin, but it's very pitted and not very nice. So first thing, I'm going to grind these off here to get that plate out, because we need that. And the spot welds down each side, so I'm going to clean them up to try and drill them out. And then what we're going to do is leave a flange at the front and the back for the new panel to sit on, and then we'll plug welds through, trying to remember to be sympathetic about where to put the plug welds so I can actually plug weld from underneath, possibly, just because I'm going to struggle to grind. It's going to be sort of there. What I might do is do one in the middle. I don't know. Right, so yeah, first thing, I'm going to clean these up here, find the spot welds. Right, so we've picked out, this side's a bit easier to see. So I'm going to pilot all these. Probably blend it somewhere there. Alright, let's get cracking.
My phone lights up, but it's never you. I can't help but feel so lonely. I know there's things that I can't undo. I'm falling apart so slowly. Come alive when we're faded. The summer nights that we're chasing. Want this feeling to last forever, forever. I know it's hard for you to stay, but I can make it another day without you, without you.
And we're back. So we've cleaned where we're going to go on top, front and back. There's a couple of bits I need to repair, but we can live with that. Drilled out most of the spot welds on this side. I've already cut my glove. The way I do it, it'd be lovely if this came out in one piece. That's impossible. Well, it's not impossible, you're just making life more difficult for yourself. The way I'm going to do it is cut across there, cut across here, then cut inside where those spot welds are and around, and then we'll unpeel this flange down both sides. So it's not going to be it's going to be various pieces it comes out in, but like I say, that's the easiest way I found to do it. So we'll mark our lines first so we know where we're going, and then go from there.
Feel so lonely, I know there's things that I can't undo. I'm falling apart so slowly. Come alive when we're faded. The summer nights that we're chasing. Want this feeling to last forever, forever. I know it's
Right, so as you can see, we've got our basic orifice. So what we're going to do now is try and unpick these flanges down the side. Again, word of the day, flange. And we'll start sort of unrolling them, I think, and we'll do a back cut there.
for you to stay, but I can make it another day.
That's what we want. Job done. One side done. I'm not sure how much of this you'll be able to see. Hopefully the sides of the lens will come to you. Whoop, bang. So we're going to do right, first test bit. I'm fairly sure this isn't gonna fit. No, it's not. So half centimetre off this side, and then some's going to need to come off the back. Easy. Right, it's not looking too bad, but the dents aren't exactly in the same place. So what we're going to do, some of them do line up, some of them don't. So we're going to start by putting a cut there and take this dent and this dent away, and then see where we go from there. Do some more and come back. So we are getting somewhere. It's turned out to have to get rid of most of these ridges because they're nowhere near lining up. We're now not too far off. I think what I'm going to do is drill these, weld them from underneath. Should have drilled them earlier really when they had a bit more support, but we can adapt and overcome. And then we should be able to blend these, hopefully. I've got still in minute supercuts. We've got to take a little tiny bit more off this edge. We've took, well, more than that, that's some of the cuts off this panel, which is, I won't say the name of the supplier, but it's pretty terrible. Right. So we've got it there or thereabouts. Some of these don't line up too badly. We're going to have to work out how to blend, modify this dent to move it across a bit so it's in line a bit better. This one will blend okay. Across the back, it's not bad again, we've got a bit of the blend there. But yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to pick the body shell up and move the table that's underneath it out the way, turn it 90 degrees, and then we should be able to have access to both sides to continue the welding and fiddling about. But yeah, we're getting there. Took a lot off this new panel. They obviously leave it excess size to give you a challenge. I don't know. But yeah, getting it. More tomorrow.